Hello guys, we are playing Skibidi Tower Defense. This is day 3.
Yeah.
And we are gonna be Noob to Pro with my little brother.
Where are you?
I'm right over
Where
here.
are you? Jake Mahani.
Okay, let's go play.
Aka.
Let's go in the party. I'm creating a party right now.
I'm here.
Okay.
Ah, pangit mo. Pangit mo.
Body at the beach on a bubblegum time.
You know Philippines, puta ina mo?
Nah!
That's puta ina mo? Puta ina mo.
Easy stop. That's bad word. Body at the beach on a bubblegum.
You know Ondusia.
No?
That's the point.
Body at the beach.
Indonesia. Puta ina mo. Puta ina mo.
Stop! Come on, bro. Let's play episode
mo.
Kasi magano na eh. No.
Did you know Philippines?
No.
You say Philippines. Oy.
No more hiding. No more hiding.
Japon mahani. Japon mahani. Puta ina mo. Puta ina. No!
You're in the party right now, bro. Stop worry about.
Did you know Philippines?
No.
You know Philippines country?
Body at the beach. Stop.
You know Philippines?
Oh my gosh. I cannot do it. Hey, come on. Come on. We got this. We're getting so much money. Tug. Tara. Game speed auto skip. No. Easy place ka.
Oh.
Please.
You know Philippines? I know Philippines.
No, easy mag...
Okay. Nandito na ako.
Yeah. Please ka.
Please ka!
Lalo na. Okay, ulit lang tayo.
Sabi ko, please ka eh.
Replay.
Paano mo ko eh? Ayaw mo pa ako matulungan.
Auto skip. Auto skip ka. Yun, auto skip. Yun.
Okay.
Body at the beach, Boba cup pair. Even the beach, black yoga pants. We're cooking right now, guys. Cooking. placing one of these.
Ipa-upload mo na nga. Ipa-upload.
No, Casey.
Leave!
Leave.
So,
You need to worry at the beach shop. Bubble cup pen, sipping to the beach shop. No, Casey, please. No! You're so cooked. Big blood. Kaya mo yan.
sakin mo.
Oh my gosh, Casey. Oh. Upgrade mo kasi yung ano mo. Yung minutes mo. Casey, hindi ko na ma-upgrade. Worry at the beach, son. Bubble pero sticking to the beach. Please ka ng unit, Casey. Casey, wala na ako, ano. Ay, good ka, good. Casey, sell mo to, Casey, sell. Sell mo to.
Bigyan sa akin.
Weh. Ito eh.
Diba yan?
Sell mo to na, likot mo.
Isel ko malak.
Casey, ba't ka mag-sell? Lugi tayo. Lugi tayo talaga, Casey, pag nagawin mo yan. Pag mahirap dito, boy, spawn ako dito. Ay, laking place pala dito. Lakas ang range nito eh, huwag na pala yan.
Super breathing. Patay!
Ang layo!
Sa akin yan.
Oo, ang layo sa'yo eh.
Saan to?
Ang layo sa'yo. Come on. Bari at the beach yan. Boba kapel. Sipping to the
Uy,
beach.
next level!
Oh my
Next
God.
level mo sa akin.
Come on, you got this, boy. Oh my gosh, bro, guys. We cannot do this. No! No way, he's back
Oh my god!
again.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so hard. Yes! You can beat this boss. You can beat this boss. Get out, you motherfucker. Huh? Bro, it's dying. Wow. This distribution is so cool. No way, what the fuck is going on, bro? Bro,
Oh no, bro. Maybe we got cooked.
we got it. Maybe we got it in this toilet. Maybe there is a boss.
I don't know.
No. No way.
Bro, he's back again.
Bro. He is back again. What the fuck is name? We got cooked, bro.
When we are not cooked.
Huh?
We are not cooked.
Bro! Oh, wow. We're so slow. Bro, this is a rule. Bro.
75 range. Oh my god, this is so hard.
Look, this is mine.
This is
This is
the-
mine. This is mine. Look at this. This is mine. Super payday.
Party at the beach.
Body nothing. Bro, this is so cool, bro. What the fuck is this? We are so slow. In this game, talent. Okay, guys, we are sleeping in AFK. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. We are back now, guys. Oh, we are back now. I slept for 3 a.m. Level 15, it's wave 15. Oh my god.
Yes, we're 50.
Where's wave 15? Yes, let's leave now.
Okay, guys, bye bye, and see you tomorrow. And 12 p.m. I'm playing Civil Tower Defense. Bye bye, and Terence.